Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Himiliza bin Latif. My card number matric is 23 DLS 21F1006.
My name is Nur Azulin Bintuzani and my matric number is 23 DLS 21F1016.
My name is Nur Aisyah binti Ismaili. My number matric is 23 DLS 21102.
My name is Salishi Rahman and my matrix number is 23 DLS 21F1024.
This is our company, which is Shah Stationery Enterprise.
Purchase order. A purchase order is a document used by customer to order goods from a supplier and is issued by the customer to the supplier. Business activity. On 19 April 2021, Book Channel Sdn Bhd purchased goods from Shah Stationery by credit. Book Channel Sdn Bhd.
I wanna buy 400 unit paper size A4, 600 unit folder, 720 units envelopes, and 150 unit cutter for your stationery.
Shah Stationery. Okay, note. Shah Stationery will record every details from book channel purchase on their source document. Purchase order will contain the date, item description, total value of orders, detail of expected deliver, terms of discount, and the name of the person. Book prime entry. Shah Stationery needs to prepare a purchase journal to record all the credit purchase transaction by the customer. Sales order. Sales order is a document used by a supplier based on order from customer. Business activity. Shah Stationery treats a sales order based on the purchase order from book channel. Shah Stationery write down every details about the item she wants to sell to the book channel Sdn Bhd on their source document. Sales order will contain the date, item description, total value of orders, detail of expected deliver, term of discount, and the name of the person in charge. Book prime entry. Shah Stationery sells goods by credit to book channel on 26 April 2021. Then it prepares sales journal to record all the credit sales transaction.
An invoice is a time-stamped commercial document that intimizes and records a transaction between a buyer and a seller. What is the purpose of an invoice? The most basic purpose of an invoice is to offer a record of sales so a business can get paid by its client. But invoices serve other important purposes, some of which might not be immediately obvious. For an example, the bookkeeping, invoices make a record of all your sales and are so helpful for bookkeeping purposes. Invoices provide documentation of your business financial history. They track all the revenue coming into your business through sales and can help you gauge your profits and cash flow. An invoice is used for creating a sales agreement between a business and a client. For small businesses, invoices are used to get paid on time for the services they provide by giving clients a document that outlines the amount owed.
Debit note is a document used by the supplier to notify the increase of certain amount of sales previously charged to the customer. Business activity. On 25 October 2021, the tab owed by book channel Sdn Bhd was increased by Rm72 due to undercharge on the invoice. Next, this is example of debit note. Shah Stationery Enterprise will record every detail in the document. The debit note contains the date, description of items, total value of additional amount charged, and the name of the person in charge. After that, Shah Stationery Enterprise will record our source document with this debit note into the book of prime entry in the sales journal. sales journal is also known as a sales daybook, and it is used to record credit sales of business inventory only. Next is credit note. Credit note is a document used by the supplier to notify the reduction of certain amount of sales previously charged to the customer. Next is credit note. Credit note is a document used by the supplier to notify the reduction of certain amount of sales previously charged. Business activity. On 8 October 2021, the customer, Pelangi Sdn Bhd, has returned the goods to the Shah Stationery Enterprise due to defect. This is example of credit note. It is normally issued by the supplier to the customer. The credit note contains the date, description of item, total value of reduction, and the name of the person in charge. Book of Prime Entry. Shah Stationery will record the return of goods by the customer Pelangi Sdn Bhd on 8 October 2021 to the business into the sales return journal.
Okay, now I want to explain about the memo. Firstly, memo used to record the withdrawal of merchandise or money for personal use or business use, or to enter additional capital in business. Okay, next, this is an example of a memo transaction in our business. As we can see in the memo, Mr. Hamid borrowed his company money to finance his son's fees. This is a drawing because he took business money for personal use. The previous memo transaction can be recorded in the cash book of the credit section. This is because all the withdrawals related to business money will be recorded in the cash book, and other than business money such as inventory will be recorded in the